pause the video. Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert your currency on Wise application. So first of all, of course, you will need a Wise application on your phone. So if you don't have that, make sure to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let's just go and launch Wise application. And as we said, we would like to convert currency. So all you need to do, in this home screen, you would like to select which currency account you would like to convert from. So let's just maybe choose whatever from here. If you don't have that, of course, you can just click here at open, choose currency account, and choose whatever currency you want. So let's just choose here, for example, Canadian dollar, and as you can see, it will be added here. So here, as you can see, we can convert the currency to whatever we want. Just go and click at this convert. Of course, as you can see, they are telling me if I want to convert, I would like to add money. So you'll need to add money to your CAD account before you can convert, or you can convert CAD. So if you want to add, of course, you just go and click on add whatever amount you want. So let's just say 200, then click at continue. Then as you can see, you would like to fill the transfer, or the way that you want to add the money with. After that, just go and choose the amount of the add, or then all you need to do, just go and click at convert here, then enter the amount you would like to convert from and the currency you want to convert to. You will need to have already added the currency account in that currency, of course, as we said. Then review your convert details and confirm the conversion, and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching it. Goodbye.